Precision, speed, and creativity are the heart of woodworking, but even the best craftsmanship can fall short without the right tools. From mastering complex joinery to achieving flawless edges and perfectly aligned hardware, the right accessories make all the difference. That's where Kreg comes in. Their innovative lineup is built to simplify tough tasks, save time, and elevate your projects to a professional level. In this video, we'll explore 20 game-changing Kreg tools that will sharpen your cuts, strengthen your joints, and streamline your assembly. Let's dive in. Clamping pieces together can be one of the most frustrating parts of woodworking, especially when traditional clamps slip, scratch, or just don't hold evenly. That's where the VersaGrip clamps shine. They make holding workpieces fast, secure, and hassle-free. These clamps feature a quick-release mechanism that lets you adjust and lock them in place instantly. The padded jaws prevent marring or denting your wood, while the strong clamping force keeps boards perfectly aligned during gluing or assembly. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or small DIY projects, VersaGrip clamps give you consistent pressure without the struggle of heavy, awkward clamps. Their compact design also makes them easy to store and versatile enough to use in tight spaces or across large surfaces. For any woodworker looking to save time and reduce frustration, these clamps are a simple but game-changing addition to the shop. When you're working with a trim router, one of the biggest challenges is keeping your cuts perfectly straight and consistent along an edge. Freehand routing can work, but it often leads to small wobbles or uneven cuts. That's where the Kreg Trim Router Edge Guide becomes incredibly useful. This simple but clever accessory turns your trim router into a much more precise cutting tool. It attaches easily to your router and lets you run the tool smoothly along the edge of a board while maintaining a perfectly consistent distance. Whether you're cutting dados, grooves, or decorative edge profiles, the guide keeps everything aligned so your cuts look clean and professional. Another nice feature is the adjustable fence system, which allows you to dial in the exact spacing you need. Once it's locked in, you can repeat the same cut across multiple boards without constantly measuring again. For woodworkers building cabinets, shelves, or furniture pieces, this tool helps eliminate guesswork and speeds up the entire routing process. If you've ever applied edge banding to plywood, you know the hardest part isn't the glue, it's keeping that thin strip perfectly pressed in place while it dries. Tape can work, but it's messy, inconsistent, and sometimes the banding still shifts. That's exactly the problem the Kreg Edge Band clamps are designed to solve. These clamps are built specifically for edge banding, which means they apply pressure exactly where you need it, right along the edge of the panel. The jaws are shaped to hold both the face of the board and the thin banding strip at the same time, making sure everything stays aligned while the glue sets. What's really convenient is how quick they are to use. Just position the clamp, squeeze the handle, and it locks firmly in place. The soft gripping surfaces also prevent damage to delicate veneer edges. For anyone building cabinets, shelves, or furniture pieces with plywood panels, these clamps make edge banding faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating. If you've ever tried installing door hinges by hand, you know how frustrating it can be. One tiny mistake and suddenly the hinge sits crooked, the door won't close properly, and you're stuck fixing something that should have taken 5 minutes. That's exactly where the Kreg Door Hinge Routing Jig makes life easier. This jig is designed to help you create perfectly sized hinge mortises quickly and consistently using a router. Instead of measuring, marking, and hoping everything lines up, you simply position the jig on the door or frame, lock it in place, and let the router do the work. The adjustable design means it works with common hinge sizes, so you're not limited to just one type. What really makes it stand out is the built-in clamping system that keeps the jig firmly in place while routing. That means cleaner cuts, better accuracy, and far less frustration. For anyone installing doors, doing renovations, or building cabinets, this tool can save a huge amount of time while delivering professional results every single time. If you've ever tried drilling perfectly straight holes, you know how tricky it can be, especially when working with hard wood or trying to make multiple pieces line up perfectly. Enter the Kreg Drill Guide Pro, a tool designed to take the guesswork out of drilling. This guide attaches to your drill and keeps it perfectly perpendicular to your workpiece, which means every hole you make is straight and accurate. Whether you're installing cabinet hardware, making dowel joints, or doing any project that requires precise alignment, this guide ensures your holes are consistent every time. No more angled holes, misaligned screws, or wasted materials. The adjustable design makes it versatile for different drill sizes and depths, and it works with both handheld and drill press setups. If you want to speed up your projects while improving precision, the Drill Guide Pro is a must-have for any serious woodworker. It's one of those tools that instantly makes your work look more professional. If you've ever been frustrated with a saw blade that tears wood, leaves rough edges, or just wears out too quickly, the Kreg SureCut saw blades are here to change that. Designed specifically for woodworkers who demand precision and clean cuts, these blades deliver consistent performance every time. The SureCut blades are engineered for smooth, accurate cutting in a variety of woods and plywood. Each blade features precision ground teeth that reduce splintering so your cuts look professional straight out of the saw. They're also designed to stay sharp longer, meaning fewer blade changes and less downtime in your projects. Another standout feature is the versatility. They fit a range of circular saws and track saws, so you don't need multiple specialized blades. Whether you're ripping, cross-cutting, or making fine joinery cuts, SureCut blades make every cut cleaner, faster, and more reliable, giving your woodworking projects a true professional edge. Installing cabinet poles and knobs might seem simple, but anyone who's done it knows how easy it is to end up with uneven or crooked hardware. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL solves that problem completely, saving time and frustration. This jig is designed to help you drill perfectly aligned holes for cabinet handles, poles, and knobs in seconds. Its adjustable design works with a wide range of hardware sizes, so you don't have to make complicated measurements every time. Just set the jig, clamp it to the drawer or door, and drill. Repeat across multiple pieces, and everything lines up flawlessly. What makes it stand out is the XL version's extended size, which works especially well for larger drawers or wider cabinets. With its sturdy construction and easy setup, this tool is perfect for DIYers or professionals who want precise, repeatable results without the headache of measuring over and over. Your cabinets will look polished and professional every single time. Sometimes your woodworking projects throw challenges that a standard saw or drill just can't handle. That's where the Ionic Drive oscillating multi-tool shines. It's like having a whole toolbox in one compact, powerful tool. This versatile oscillating tool can cut, sand, scrape, and grind in tight spaces where other tools can't reach. Its high-speed oscillation lets you tackle flush cuts, plunge cuts, and detailed work with precision, making it perfect for trimming jamb doors, removing old caulk, or cutting small notches in furniture pieces. The Ionic Drive version is cordless, giving you the freedom to work anywhere without worrying about cords or outlets. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, and the quick change accessory system makes swapping blades or attachments fast and easy. For anyone who wants a multi-purpose solution that saves time and effort, this tool is a game changer. If you've ever tried sanding by hand, you know how slow and uneven it can be. The Ionic Drive 5-inch random orbit sander makes finishing wood surfaces fast, smooth, and almost effortless. This sander combines power with precision. Its random orbit motion ensures you won't leave swirl marks, even on delicate surfaces, while the 5-inch pad covers a good area without being too bulky for detailed spots. The adjustable speed lets you match the sanding rate to the material, whether you're removing rough edges, prepping for stain, or smoothing a finish coat. One of the best features is the dust collection system, which keeps your workspace cleaner and reduces airborne dust. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable to use for extended periods, making it perfect for cabinets, furniture, or DIY projects. For anyone serious about a smooth, professional finish, this sander is a must-have. If you want to build strong, professional-looking furniture or cabinets quickly, the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig K4 is one of the best tools you can add to your workshop. It's designed to make pocket hole joinery faster, easier, and more accurate than ever before. The K4 jig allows you to drill perfectly angled pocket holes with consistent spacing and depth, so your joints are tight and strong every time. Its adjustable settings make it versatile for different board thicknesses, and the built-in clamps help hold pieces steady while you drill. Unlike traditional joinery, you don't need glue or complex setups for quick, durable connections. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional woodworker, the Pocket Hole Jig K4 speeds up assembly, ensures repeatable results, and produces clean, professional-looking projects. For anyone serious about efficient, precise joinery, this jig is an essential part of the toolkit. If you want to add clean, professional edges or decorative profiles to your woodworking projects, the Kreg 1/4-inch trim router is a compact powerhouse that makes it easy. This router is designed for precision trimming and edge work, perfect for cabinet doors, shelves, and small furniture pieces. Its lightweight design gives you full control while reducing fatigue, and the ergonomic grip lets you guide the router smoothly along edges. With the 1/4-inch collet, you can use a wide variety of bits for grooves, rabbets, or decorative trims, giving your projects a polished, professional look. The Kreg Ionic Drive system powers this router with consistent torque and variable speed, so you can adjust it based on the material or bit size. It's easy to set up, easy to handle, and delivers clean, repeatable results, making it a must-have for any woodworker who wants precision without bulky equipment. The Kreg Barrelgrip jigsaw is designed to give you comfort, control, and precision all in one tool. The Barrelgrip design fits naturally in your hand, reducing fatigue and allowing you to guide the router more accurately along curves, corners, or tight patterns. Its variable speed motor ensures smooth cutting through plywood, hardwood, or MDF, while the orbital action gives faster, cleaner cuts without tearing the wood. Another standout feature is the tool-free blade change system, making swapping blades quick and hassle-free. Whether you're crafting decorative pieces, cutting templates, or working on furniture, this jigsaw gives you the control and confidence to make precise cuts every time. For detailed woodworking, it's a tool you'll reach for again and again. Driving screws, bolts, or fasteners can be tedious and exhausting if you're using a regular drill, especially in hardwood or thick material. The Kreg 1/4-inch compact impact driver solves that with power, precision, and comfort all in one. This compact driver delivers high torque in a small, lightweight design, making it perfect for tight spaces where a larger drill just won't fit. Its impact mechanism allows you to drive screws quickly without stripping heads or over-tightening, which is essential when assembling cabinets, furniture, or trim work. The 1/4-inch hex collet works with standard bits, and the variable speed trigger gives you complete control for delicate or heavy-duty applications. With its ergonomic grip, cordless convenience, and professional-level performance, this tool becomes an extension of your hand, making every driving task faster, easier, and more precise. If you want strong, clean joints without complicated tools or clamps, the Kreg Pocket Hole Joiner is a total game-changer. Pocket holes let you connect boards quickly and securely, and this tool makes it easier than ever. The Kreg Rebel 20-volt Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner drives screws at precise angles to create tight, professional joints every time. Its compact, cordless design lets you work anywhere without worrying about cords or bulky equipment. With adjustable depth settings and compatible screw guides, you can handle different board thicknesses with ease, from cabinet panels to furniture frames. It's not just fast, it's accurate. Every hole is perfectly angled, which means less measuring, less guesswork, and stronger joints that hold up over time. For woodworkers who want a reliable, efficient way to assemble pieces with clean results, this pocket hole joiner is a must-have in your shop. When it comes to making straight, powerful cuts in plywood, hardwood, or dimensional lumber, the Kreg 1/2-inch circular saw is a tool that takes your woodworking to the next level. This saw is built with the Kreg Ionic Drive system, giving you cordless freedom without sacrificing power. Its robust motor and precision ground blade allow you to make smooth, accurate cuts, whether you're ripping boards along the grain or cross-cutting panels. The adjustable bevel and cutting depth give you flexibility for a variety of cuts, while the ergonomic handle keeps it comfortable during longer projects. Another major benefit is portability. You can take it anywhere without dragging a cord around, which is perfect for workshops, job sites, or DIY projects at home. For anyone looking to combine precision, speed, and power in a compact circular saw, this Kreg model is a dependable, professional choice. That wraps up our look at 15 genius Kreg tools that can completely transform your woodworking. Which one caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exciting content just like this.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.